Welcome back to Endless Money Pits. This is my 2008 Yamaha XT250, and today I'll show you how to replace the headlight bulb. The XT250 hasn't changed much over the years, so this procedure should be essentially the same from 2008 on. Replacing the headlight bulb on this bike is pretty simple, so let's get to it. Here are the tools that I used for this job. Impact driver, 4mm hex, 5mm hex, flathead screwdriver, and a tiny flathead screwdriver. For this job I also needed a rag, gloves, electrical contact cleaner, and a new light bulb labeled H4, 9003, or both. There are links in the description for everything I used. I'll start by removing the two 5mm hex bolts securing the headlight shroud. It's a good idea to remove the metal collars so they don't get lost. Spread the lower part of the shroud and it should come loose from the bike. The headlight housing is secured with three 4mm hex bolts. At this point, you should be able to unplug the headlight. Mine was stuck, so I used a flathead screwdriver to gently pry apart the connection. That's nasty. I used some electrical contact cleaner to clean it up a little. Remove the rubber boot and unscrew the lock ring to free the bulb.
Possibly another reason that the light bulb burnt out.
I assumed this bulb was burnt out, otherwise I wouldn't have touched any part of the glass. You shouldn't touch any part of the glass because the oil from your fingerprints can become very hot when the light is on and cause the glass to break.
It doesn't look burnt out, so that's a little worrying. But we'll try a new bulb and see what happens.
I should have cleared away this debris before pulling the light bulb out, but I was careful not to knock anything into the lens. I installed a new bulb even though the old one looked okay. The lock ring has to be oriented just right to fit, and it might feel a little tight. Reinstall the rubber boot as shown. Reconnect the headlight and secure it with its three 4mm hex bolts. Well, here's the moment of truth. Yeah, that sucks. But join me next week for some real fun as I try to track down the actual problem with this bike's headlight.
Well, I guess it wasn't the bulb.
If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more of the best DIY videos on the internet. And until next time, just keep throwing money at it.